On this video today, I'm going to show you a free quality traffic source that you can use to make money with Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that you can use it from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Digistore24 account. It is free. You can join Digistore24 to find affiliate products that you can promote to earn money. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on it, you are going to find a category of digital products that you can promote. You can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. There are a lot of different categories. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different categories. If you click on any of them, you are going to find a lot of different digital products that you can promote to earn money. For example, if you click on dating, love and relationships, you can find digital products that you can promote under that category. So let me click on it for you to see. Once you click on it, as I scroll down, you can see these are products that you can promote under the relationship category. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning $20.12 per every sale that you get. If you scroll down, there are many of them that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. In this video, we are not going to be promoting products under this category. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a physical product. You can see physical products. You can promote physical products in this platform. If you don't want physical products, you can promote services, you can promote events and seminars. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then find products to promote. So we are going to be promoting a physical product, so just click on it so that you can find the products. Once you click on it, you can choose to promote skincare products or supplements. In this case, we are going to be promoting supplements, so click on it. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this is a supplement that you can promote. Rising Power is a male enhancement product that you can promote, and the commission rate is high. You can see $103.82. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You can see right here the product is popular. It has a 5-star rating, so if you want, you can promote that product. This is another supplement that you can promote. The commission rate is $112.24. So any of the supplements that you want, you can click on it and then get your affiliate link. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this supplement, Tonic Greens. This supplement helps people to boost their immune system. You can see boost the immune system. The commission rate is $102.36. The reason why I like promoting this product is that the cut conversion is very high. You can see it right here. It has 16% cut conversion. That means if you promote it to 100 people, 16% of those people are going to purchase it. If you promote it to 1,000 people, 16% of the people are going to buy it. And you can see this is the cancellation rate is very low. So this product, it is good for you to promote it. Once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to look at the sales page of the product. Some sales page are not good, so you have to check if the sales page is good so that you can begin promoting the product. So click on it. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the sales page of the product. If you click on the sound icon here, you hear everything in the video. As a beginner, what you have to do is that you have to click on the sound so that you can get some basic information about the product. Once you get the basic information, it will be easier for you to promote it and then earn a commission. You can see someone has just purchased the product. You can see it right here from Maryland. So this product, it is getting sales. If you promote it, you can equally get a sale. They have the product in different packages, so your customer will choose any of the packages that they want. You can see the first one is $79 per bottle, the second one is $49 per bottle, the third is $59 per bottle. So it depends on what the customer wants. Once the customer selects it, you are going to be making money. You can see another person has purchased the product again. You can see it right here 4 minutes ago. So people are buying the product. If you also promote it, you are going to be getting people who purchase the product for you to earn money. You can see they have free shipping for the customers. So if they are living in the United States, they are going to get free shipping. You can see it right here. This product is a hot product. It's currently trending. People are buying it. So you have to promote it so that you can get sales now. You can see it is getting a lot of sales in the United States. So we have to find a United States traffic source so that we can get the people to buy it for us to make money. So now once you have gotten the basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. In my case, you can see this is my affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you are going to see promote now. Click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. But because I've been promoting it, that is why my affiliate link is here. So now once you have gotten the affiliate link, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase it, and you are going to be earning 60% of the price of the product. That is $102.36. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every single person that you get to purchase the product. The traffic sources, you can use free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the free traffic source, but if you have money, you can use the paid traffic source, because the paid traffic source you are going to be getting fast results. But the free traffic source, you need a lot of time so that you can post as many ads as you can so that you can get sales. In this video, I'm going to show you the free traffic source so that you can use that to make money as a beginner. Once you get the sales, you can then use the premium version so that you can increase the number of sales that you get daily. The traffic source that we are going to be using is usnetads.com. On this website, you can post your ads for free, and the best part is that you are going to be promoting to people who live in the United States. As you can see on the landing page, people who were buying the product are from the United States, so most people in the United States like the product. So this website is one of the best that we can use to reach people who live in the United States. United States is one of the tier 1 countries, so most people have the purchasing power to buy the product. So if you use this platform, you can reach those people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. One good thing about this website is that you are not required to sign up, so you can post as many ads as you want in a single day. You are not going to be banned. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Click here to post ads. So click on it so that you can begin posting your ads onto the website. Once you click on it, it's going to open like this. The first step is that you have to paste the title of your ad right here, and you have to also add a description of your ad. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to go on Google and then search for a review of the product so that we can copy the title and paste it here. So you have to come on Google and then search for tonic greens, search for tonic greens review, search for tonic greens review. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can get a written review of the product. You can see these are all videos, so just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see tonic greens review. You can see this is a review of the product. When you scroll down, you can see another review here. So any of them that you want, you can click on it. In this case, I'm going to use this one, so click on it. Once you open the review, you are going to see a page like this. Highlight and copy the name of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done, but this is not enough, so I'm going to add some text so that it can convince people to click on my ad. As you can see, I've added this text: boost your immune system and keep your body healthy. I've added this subtitle so that I can get people to click on my ad. So you have to add a catchy subtitle here so that it can convince people to click on your link. Now once you have pasted the title, the next step is that you are going to write a brief description about the product. So you have to come back on the review article. Once you come back, you have to scroll down so that you can get some basic information about the product. You can see tonic greens is an all-in-one dietary supplement, and then the rest. So just highlight and copy some portion of this. So just highlight and copy this text. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see add image. So you have to add images of the product. You have to upload them right here. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to search for the name of the product on Google. Once you search for it, you are going to select images. Once you select images, you can see a whole lot of different images about the product. You can see everything. As I scroll down, you can see many images. Any of the images that you want, you can download it and then use it. In this case, I'm going to download this image and then this one. To download the image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you click on it, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once that is done, you are going to right click on the second image, select save images. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. As you can see, that has been done. Once you save the images, you are going to come back, click on browse. Once you click on browse, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, it has been uploaded. Click on browse again, select the second image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You have uploaded the images of the product. Once that is done, you can see related link or URL. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link for. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you can see category. You are going to select the category of the product that you are promoting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to search for health. So scroll down to the bottom. You can see health and beauty, fitness, health and beauty insurance, and the rest. So you have to search for healthcare. In this case, we are going to select nutrition, so click on it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see target city. If you want to target any city in the United States, you can select that, but we are not going to do that. Target all states. We are targeting all states, so we are targeting every state in the United States. You can see everything. We are targeting all the states. Once that is done, you can see contact phone. If you want, you can enter your phone number right here. Contact email. If you want, you can enter your email right here. In this case, I'm going to enter my email address. This is my email address. If you want, you can also enter your phone number. You can see add owner name. You are going to type your name here. So type any name that you want. You can see, just type your name. Once you type your name, you are going to enter the add password. So just enter anything that you can remember. Once that is done, you are going to enter the validation code. They want to ensure that you are not a robot, you are a human being. So enter this code here. The code is 459138. That is the code. Once you enter the code, the next step is that you are going to submit your ad. So click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see congratulations, you have posted the advertisement successfully. Your ad ID is this and this. You can see the number. Your password is this. Apart from that, you can see right here, this is the title of your ad. You can see it right here. So when people click on it, they can get access to your affiliate link. Your ad is going to be on this website 365 days. But what I recommend is that every month you have to update your affiliate link, because the cookie duration is going to expire. Once the cookie duration expired, even if you get a sale, they can't track you and then pay you. So you are going to be working for nothing. Make sure you update your affiliate link every month so that they can track you and then pay you anytime you get a sale. So make sure you go and post a lot of ads on this website so that you can be making money from home. Apart from promoting affiliate products, you can also create your own digital product and then sell it online. You don't need any skills to do it. You don't need any experience to do it. You don't need to invest any money. Everything is free. So I've written this book showing you step by step on how you can create your own digital product and then sell it online. One good thing about digital info products is that you can sell it at any price that you want. It is your own product. Any way that you want to sell it, you can do so. You can even recruit affiliates to sell it on your behalf, and you are going to be making money. I've decided to reduce the price to $2.49. In the coming weeks, I'm going to increase it to the normal price, $13.92. You can see it right here. So make sure you take action now so that you can get access to this book. To get access to the book, what you have to do is that you have to check at the description of this video. Click on this link. Once you click on this link, it is going to take you to the product landing page. Once you are on the product landing page, click on download now. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your details so that you can get access to the ebook. Make sure you download your copy now before I increase the price. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.